Viewers, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you a DIY how you can make your breast and butt massaging oil. This butt massaging oil offers a lot of benefits for your body. This includes increasing your blood circulation, faster muscle recovery, and this oil is going to make your butt bigger. When applied to your breast, it's going to lift sagging breast and add volume to it. So guys, keep watching. Okay guys, you're welcome to my workstation. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. If this is your first time of stopping by, thumbs up and share my videos. Okay, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Here I have my carrot oil, my almond oil, my coconut oil, lemon oil, orange oil, and olive oil, and my vitamin E oil with my fish oil. I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of my carrot oil into my mixing bowl. Here I already have my 2 tablespoons of my fish oil. I'm going to add it into my mixing bowl. Here I have my lemon oil. Lemon oil is going to help promote the growth of the buttocks and muscle and strengthen it. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my lemon oil into my mixing bowl. Here I have my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is going to help regenerate new skin cells for the butt. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil inside my mixing bowl. While making your butt oil, the measurement you use depends on the quantity you are making. So I'm going to add my almond oil. Almond oil is going to help reduce stretch marks. It's going to help reduce stretch marks on your butt, and it's going to moisturize your butt. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my almond oil into my mixing bowl. This butt oil is 100% organic, no side effects. I'm going to add my coconut oil. Coconut oil contains healthy fatty acids, so it's going to help grow your butt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of it inside my mixing plate. Oh, sorry about that. Here I have my olive oil. Olive oil is a moisturizer, so it's going to help moisturize your butt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that into my mixing bowl. And lastly, I'm going to add my orange oil. Orange oil improves the firmness of the buttocks and is going to make your hips and butts firm with elasticity. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that into my mixing bowl. Oh, sorry, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So after adding all your ingredients, you have to stir it. So after stirring it, you package it in your container. Okay guys, my DIY butt oil is ready for use. This butt oil is super effective, visible results in 7 days. I've been getting a lot of reviews from people who use this butt oil, and they said it was tandem, and it's going to give you massive results when combined with the butt cream. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please, I'm going to remind you to press the red subscription button to be updated anytime I post something new in my next video. In my next video, I'll be making half cast whitening oil, so stay close. Bye.